Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of LHMB509. This is our 1987 Mercedes W126 300 SD, powered by the awesome OM617 turbo diesel engine. Andy here's getting a life support hooked up for it so we can fire this girl up. What was the fault we found with this thing, Andy? Just an old, worn-out vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Purchased this thing from auction. They had it listed as mechanical. It runs, it drives, it stops, so unless it's got some sort of other issue we can't find, I'm going to assume that this was just donated due to age. A lot of good parts left on this. The paint is pretty heavily faded. The camera's making it look a lot better than it is, guys. I just want to point that out. A lot of defects on like the deck lid here. Some acid fallout for some bird doo-doo. A lot of swirling. This thing looks like it was washed with rocks. Inside though, she's in as good a shape as you're going to find of a W126 of this era. The MB Tex has cracked, but we are going to be selling a complete seat set for recovery. Check out the rear there. It's got the same deal going on. Smells like an old Mercedes. We're going to get all these interior parts pulled out, listed for sale. Let's go ahead and fire up the OM603. 264,000 miles on it, just getting broke in. Get that wait to start light out. Looks like we're good for ignition. Oh, she spit the jump box off, but she's running. That was interesting. Walk outside here. Bulletproof motor there. Sounds like an old Mercedes diesel. Clickety clack, you can't kill it. Setup. Nice. Go ahead and shut the hood here. Look at that rusty pipe. Get that out of here. There we go. Nice front end on this thing. We're going to be selling these headlights. The hood's going to be sold bare without the grill. Hey, Mason. Look at Mason over here. I think I'm going to try to do a burnout in this diesel girl. All these doors, we're going to be selling the moldings off of them, along with the window regulators and glass out of them. This is Mason, guys. He used to have a mullet. He shaved his mullet. All his friends left him. His girlfriend's considering breaking up with him because he has terrible hair now. So in the comments, tell him to grow that mullet back out. But Mason here is going to be the cameraman while I make some questionable decisions in events. Get those doors open. They said this was very good. Forewarning, I have no idea if this is even going to work. So this is either going to be really good or really bad, guys. Andy, what's up?
Fresh water down there.
Andy's gonna give us a little
some lubricant.
Andy's not paying attention. We're going for it.
Oh, he's getting it. John. They're senior.
That OM603 lit them right up. That is what this motor is known for. Now, I'm probably gonna get in trouble for making a mess of the shop, so I need you guys to buy this motor so I get out of hot water. We are gonna be selling this complete with the accessories and turbocharger, ready to drop into your project. I know I've seen a lot of these in Jeeps, some Land Cruisers, heck, even another Mercedes, but wow, it is really smoky in here. Sorry, senior, it's for the internet. That's the real owner. Anyways, guys, like I said, that is going to wrap up the test video of LHMB509, our Mercedes 300 SD, powered by that awesome OM617 diesel engine. Please, 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 guys, go buy some parts off this car so I do not get in trouble for this mess. Mason, how long do you give it till they come out here and see what I did?
45 seconds.
Did she roll any coal?
Yes.
I rolled coal, guys. That's a first. I've never rolled coal in a Mercedes before, or a truck, really. None of my trucks ever did it. I'm John at Change Out, I reckon, guys. Thanks for watching.
Must have been tuned right.